The schwa sound is a neutral mid-central vowel sound represented by the symbol A in the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. It's the most common vowel sound in English and often occurs in unstressed syllables. Pronouncing the schwa sound involves relaxing your mouth and tongue, with the tongue resting in a neutral position in the middle of the mouth. Here's a breakdown of its dynamics. Mouth position. The mouth is relaxed, with the jaw slightly dropped, and the lips are in a neutral position. Tongue position. The tongue is in a neutral central position, neither too high nor too low in the mouth, and it's relaxed. Stress. The schwa sound typically occurs in unstressed syllables, where it's pronounced with reduced intensity and duration compared to stressed vowels. About banana alone. Abandon, amazing about account, afraid advance again. Middle, banana animal celebrate. Remember family begin insect yellow potato chocolate. End, China cinema drama idea. Banana camera sofa dollar tomorrow. Banana. In these examples, you'll notice that the schwa sound is unstressed and often occurs in syllables that aren't emphasized in speech.